So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 13 questions to answer on the topic Institutions of Government in the Post-Independent Nigeria. So guys, here in this video, we'll consider the legislature. So ensure to stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the first lawmaking body in Nigeria after amalgamation was A. National Assembly, B. Regional Assembly, C. Nigerian Council, D. Legislative Council. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the Nigerian Council. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So guys, over here is question number 2. It says, under the Babangida administration, the political bureau recommended at the federal level A. bicameral legislature and two-party system, B. unicameral legislature and one-party system, C. unicameral legislature and two-party system, D. unicameral legislature and multi-party system. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the unicameral legislature and two-party system. So that's it for this question. Let's consider the next one, guys. So over here is question number 3. It says, which institution is responsible for the regulation and supervision of capital markets in Nigeria? We have A. Nigerian Stock Exchange, B. Financial Reporting Council of Nigeria, C. Securities and Exchange Commission, and D. Corporate Affairs Commission. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's Securities and Exchange Commission. So that's it here. Option C is the answer to this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So here is the next question, question number 4. It says, the state legislatures of the Second Republic in Nigeria had the following except A. We have A. Deputy Speaker, B. Speaker, C. Senate Leader, D. Clerk of the House. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the Senate Leader. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 5. It says, during the Second Republic in Nigeria, the branch of the legislature responsible for ratifying presidential nominees for appointment was the A. Senate, B. House of Representatives, C. Council of States, D. Public Service Commission. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's the Senate. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, here's the next question, question number 6. It says, the main legislative body in Nigeria between 1966 and 1975 was the A. National Security Council, B. Provisional Ruling Council, C. Armed Forces Ruling Council, and D. Supreme Military Council. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. That's the Supreme Military Council. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So here's question number 7. It says, between 1966 and 1975, the highest legislative body in Nigeria was the A. Armed Forces Ruling Council, B. Armed Force Revolutionary Council, C. Provisional Ruling Council, and D. Supreme Military Council. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. That's the Supreme Military Council. So that's it for this question. Let's move on to the next one, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 8. It says, the commission established to handle the electoral activities in the Second Republic of Nigeria was A. NECON, B. INEC, C. FEDECO, and D. NEC. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's FEDECO. And that's it for this question, guys. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So the next question here, question number 9 says, members of the Senate in Nigeria's first republic were A. elected by electoral college, B. elected directly by the people, C. nominated by regional and federal governments, D. nominated by the president of the house. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. They were elected by electoral college. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So we have here question number 10. It says, the first institution introduced by the military to exercise legislative power was the A. Provisional Ruling Council, B. Federal Executive Council, C. Supreme Military Council, D. Armed Force Ruling Council. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the Supreme Military Council. So let's get on to the next one, guys. Over here we have question number 11. It says, members of a parliament are required to report the proceedings of the House to their A. constituencies, B. traditional rulers, C. political parties, D. local government chairman. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. That's constituencies, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. We have here question number 12. It says, the two chambers of elected national representatives in Nigeria are called A. the Senate, B. the National Assembly, C. the Parliament, D. House of Assembly. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. That's the National Assembly. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So guys, the last question we have here, question number 13 of 13. It says, NCNC and the NPC facilitated the creation of the A. Eastern Region, B. Midwest Region, C. Western Region, D. Northern Region. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's the Midwest Region. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.